Okay. Here we are. Samuel says there's some African bees here that are very dangerous. And I'm going to see if I can see them.
Acá.
Okay. Oh, see? Oh, sí, yo lo veo. Yo lo veo, sí, sí. Pero tú sabes que el tipo de abeja.
¿Peligrosa?
Sí.
Sí, se mata a la gente.
Oh, damn.
Muerte.
Kill the people. Wow. Okay, okay. Well.
Eso en Panamá es peligroso. Cuando tú ves una,
Ajá.
te llaman los bomberos.
Sí.
Los bomberos.
Ah, okay, okay. Y es en el árbol de coco, ¿no?
No.
¿Qué es el árbol?
Eso es pifá.
Ah, pifa, sí, sí, sí.
Sí.
Okay, okay.
Ahora.
Okay, vámonos.
Hay momentos que ella está tranquilo.
Sí.
Pero cuando el sol es muy caliente,
Ajá.
a veces está por todo esto por
Ah,
aquí.
sí, sí. Okay, okay.
Sí.
Bueno, I like to leave them alone, so they're part of nature, so that's what it is. But thank you for getting the mangosteen. Me gusta para coger mangosteen. So yo tengo 3. So I have 3 of the mangosteen here. 1, 2, 3, which I'm going to eat this morning. Ah, Samuel got one more. Gracias. Okay. Whoop. I need my basket.
No tiene bolsillo.
Necesito bolsillo. Qué bonita.
Los loros.
Sí. Okay, gracias. That's enough. I can eat 4 mangosteen this morning. And I don't want the bees. So I'm just gonna walk back and eat my mangosteen for the morning. And I guess he will look to see if there's more mangosteen in the other trees. Mangosteen is an amazing fruit. It has so many antioxidants and vitamins and minerals, and it's and, you know, it's that deep purple, you know, so so what you do is you can bite it, or you can cut open this red part, and then inside it's this real fleshy white flesh that you eat. It's so sweet. So I'll open one when I get up here and show you how good it is. But that's what I do each morning. I look to see what I have that I can go harvest, and that's what I eat. If you're new to my channel, I'm Natasha. I live in Panama. I live in rural Panama, and I work to be as self-sufficient as possible on my farm. So I'm gonna see if I can open one of these. And okay. All right, so I might do this in the next video. I will open one and eat the mangosteen. Have a great day.